Gaeilge Gaeilge a macrí an seo agus inniú beimiid cant faoin briathra neamhrialta san aimsir laithreach. Irregular verbs in the present tense. So I already looked at the irregular verbs and went through their meanings individually in my past tense video. I will have that linked on the screen and in the description. So I'm not going to go over them again in detail. If you want to just pause the screen, you can have a quick look at them. I'm going to be focusing on how they change or don't change in the present tense. So all the ones that are circled are the ones that do change. The others, you just add the appropriate endings for the present tense. I will also have that video on the screen and in the description. If you haven't watched it already, I recommend doing so before this video. So these are the verbs that are irregular in the present tense. Now you might be asking, why are the other ones on the stick man? Well, I just like to keep them all together because they're the 11 irregular verbs. If they're not irregular in the present tense, then they will be in the past tense or the future tense or both. So Abair, Beir, tor, tar, be and che are all irregular in the present tense. So the actual verb itself changes and then you add the endings. So the first irregular verb we're going to look at is Abair, which means to say. It changes to ger. And also importantly, it doesn't pick up any endings. You just add the appropriate pronoun and that's it. Next we have tor, to give. That changes to tug. It's only one syllable and it picks up the Latin endings as the last vowel is u. The fourth irregular verb is tar, to come. It changes to tag, and again one syllable Latin endings. Fifth irregular verb, be, to be. It is only one syllable, but it picks up the two syllable endings, the cail ones, as the only vowel is I. So beim, bein, imid. Note that we don't repeat the I father that belongs to these endings because it just doesn't sound right, so it's not necessary. The sixth and final irregular verb is che, which means to go. It is not two syllables, but it ends in igh, so we must remove the igh and you give it a one syllable ending, the cail ones, because it ends in I. Cheim, chein, cheimid. Now note how there is no need to repeat the E in the eann ending because there's already an E from che. You can do a little dance, give yourself a high five, clap, because we got the remaining 5 verbs which are regular. Fec, clush, fi and jan. Just pick up their appropriate endings, that is all. So these ones are cail, so it's going to be fecum, fecun, fecumid, and the same for the rest. Jan is the only one that is Latin. It's going to be janum, janin, janimid. That is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that everything was clear for you. If not, please ask me in the comments and I will do my best to help you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Turn on your notifications, set them to all, because I am going to be coming up with loads of new videos, so stay tuned. Gora maigats agus slán lats.